Amazon animals, exploring the rich biodiversity of the rainforest. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is home to an incredible array of wildlife. Spanning across 9 countries in South America, this vast expanse of greenery is a treasure trove of biodiversity, housing millions of species, many of which are found nowhere else on the planet. The animals of the Amazon are as diverse as the landscape itself, from the towering jaguars to the tiny but toxic poison dart frogs. In this article, we'll take a closer look at some of the most fascinating creatures that call the Amazon home, the challenges they face, and why their conservation is crucial. The Amazon rainforest, a biodiversity hotspot. The Amazon is one of the most biodiverse regions on Earth, covering approximately 5.5 million square kilometers. This dense, tropical rainforest is an intricate web of life, where the ecosystem is balanced through a delicate interplay of predator and prey, plant and animal, and land and water. The Amazon is home to about 10% of the known species on the planet, including more than 2.5 million insect species, tens of thousands of plants, and over 2,000 species of birds and mammals. The richness of the Amazon's biodiversity is largely due to its vast size and variety of habitats, ranging from rivers and wetlands to forests and savannas. These varied environments provide niches for an astonishing variety of life forms, many of which are yet to be discovered. Iconic mammals of the Amazon. Jaguars, the apex predators. Among the most iconic of Amazonian mammals is the jaguar. As the apex predator of the region, jaguars play a critical role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. These magnificent cats, with their powerful build and distinctive rosette-patterned coats, are solitary hunters that prefer to stalk their prey at night. Jaguars are known for their incredible strength, capable of dragging prey much larger than themselves, including deer and caimans, into trees. Unfortunately, jaguar populations are under threat due to habitat loss and poaching. As these majestic predators lose their territory to deforestation, they come into closer contact with human settlements, leading to increased conflict. Amazon River dolphins, the pink marvels. The Amazon River dolphin, or boto, is one of the most intriguing animals in the Amazon. These dolphins are unique not just for their pink color but also for their adaptability to the river environment. Unlike their oceanic counterparts, Amazon River dolphins have unfused neck vertebrae, allowing them to turn their heads in all directions, an adaptation that helps them navigate the flooded forests during the rainy season. Botas hold a special place in Amazonian folklore, often believed to be shapeshifters or spirits of the river. However, these gentle creatures face threats from habitat degradation and accidental capture in fishing gear. Capybaras, the world's largest rodents. Capybaras, the world's largest rodents, are another fascinating Amazonian mammal. These social animals are often seen in large groups near bodies of water, where they feed on grasses and aquatic plants. Capybaras are a crucial part of the food chain, serving as prey for predators like jaguars and anacondas. Their semi-aquatic lifestyle helps them evade predators, as they can stay submerged for several minutes. Despite their size, capybaras are gentle creatures and have adapted well to living near human settlements, though they still face threats from hunting and habitat destruction. Birds of the Amazon. Harpy eagles, the kings of the canopy. The harpy eagle, one of the most powerful raptors in the world, rules the canopy of the Amazon rainforest. With a wingspan of up to 7 feet, these birds of prey are formidable hunters, capable of taking down monkeys and sloths. Their sharp talons and keen eyesight make them highly effective predators, and they play a vital role in controlling the populations of their prey. Harpy eagles are also known for their elaborate courtship rituals and dedicated parenting. However, deforestation poses a significant threat to their survival, as it reduces their hunting grounds and nesting sites. Scarlet macaws, the vibrant communicators. The scarlet macaw is one of the most colorful and charismatic birds of the Amazon. Known for their bright red, yellow, and blue plumage, these birds are also highly social and intelligent. Scarlet macaws live in flocks and use a variety of calls to communicate with each other, often flying great distances to find food. Unfortunately, scarlet macaws are frequently targeted by the illegal pet trade, and habitat loss further threatens their populations. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these vibrant birds from further decline. Reptiles and amphibians in the Amazon. Anacondas, the massive constrictors. The green anaconda, the largest snake in the world by weight, is another legendary inhabitant of the Amazon. These massive constrictors can grow up to 30 feet long and are known for their ability to take down large prey, including capybaras and caimans. Anacondas are excellent swimmers and often lie in wait in the water, ambushing their prey with a sudden strike. Despite their fearsome reputation, anacondas are not typically dangerous to humans. However, they are often killed out of fear or for their skin, leading to declining populations. Poison dart frogs, the tiny toxins. Poison dart frogs are small but incredibly toxic amphibians that are native to the Amazon rainforest. These brightly colored frogs, which come in a variety of hues, use their potent skin toxins as a defense mechanism against predators. Interestingly, the toxicity of these frogs comes from their diet of ants and other small insects, which contain alkaloids that the frogs secrete through their skin. Indigenous peoples have long used the toxins from these frogs for hunting, coating the tips of their blow darts with the poison. However, habitat loss and the illegal pet trade threaten the survival of many poison dart frog species. Aquatic life in the Amazon. Piranhas, the notorious carnivores. Piranhas have a fearsome reputation as bloodthirsty carnivores, but this image is largely exaggerated. While it's true that piranhas have sharp teeth and can be aggressive, they are generally scavengers, feeding on dead or dying fish and other animals. Piranhas play an essential role in the Amazon's aquatic ecosystem by keeping the rivers clean of carrion. The myth of the piranha as a ferocious killer comes from occasional feeding. Insects and arachnids of the Amazon. Bullet ants, the painful stingers. The bullet ant, named for the intense pain of its sting, is often considered the most painful insect in the world. Found throughout the Amazon, these large ants are known for their aggressive defense of their nests. The sting of a bullet ant is said to be as painful as being shot, hence the name, and can cause hours of excruciating pain. Despite their fearsome reputation, bullet ants play a vital role in the ecosystem as predators of other insects. They are also deeply embedded in the cultural practices of some indigenous tribes, who use them in initiation rituals. Young men in some tribes wear gloves filled with bullet ants as a test of endurance and strength, a practice that underscores the respect these communities have for the power of nature. Goliath bird-eater spiders, the giant predators. The Goliath bird-eater is the largest spider in the world by mass, and it is found in the Amazon. Despite its name, it rarely eats birds, instead preferring insects, worms, and occasionally small mammals. These spiders are nocturnal hunters, relying on their size and strength to overpower prey rather than using webs. Goliath bird-eaters have a fearsome appearance, but they pose little threat to humans. Their venom is relatively mild, comparable to that of a wasp, and they are more likely to flee than to fight when threatened. However, their size and intimidating appearance often lead to them being killed out of fear. Conservation challenges in the Amazon. Deforestation, the biggest threat. Deforestation is the most significant threat facing Amazon wildlife today. The Amazon has lost millions of acres of forest in the past few decades due to logging, agriculture, and infrastructure development. This destruction of habitat has dire consequences for the animals that live there. Many species are losing their homes and food sources, leading to declines in populations and even extinction in some cases. Habitat fragmentation also isolates animal populations, making it harder for them to find mates and leading to a loss of genetic diversity. This can make species more vulnerable to diseases and other threats. Additionally, deforestation disrupts the intricate balance of the ecosystem, leading to cascading effects that can affect even the most resilient species. Climate change and its effects. Climate change is another significant challenge for Amazon wildlife. Rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns are already altering the habitats of many species. Some animals, like the poison dart frogs, are highly sensitive to changes in temperature and humidity and may struggle to survive as conditions change. Moreover, climate change can exacerbate other threats like deforestation and forest fires. As the Amazon becomes drier, the risk of wildfires increases, which can devastate large areas of the forest. The loss of trees also contributes to climate change by releasing stored carbon into the atmosphere, creating a vicious cycle that threatens both the Amazon and the planet as a whole. The role of indigenous communities in conservation. Indigenous communities have lived in the Amazon for thousands of years, and their traditional knowledge and practices are crucial for conservation. These communities have developed sustainable ways of living that allow them to thrive in the rainforest without depleting its resources. They know the land and its inhabitants intimately, and their practices often help maintain the balance of the ecosystem.